Hello everyone, today we will talk about the 5 peso coin year 1999. The 1999 5 peso coin is part of the BSP series issued from 1995 to 2017 and features a portrait of Andres Bonifacio on the obverse and the Tayabakbayan of the reverse. It is a circulating commemorative coin, but there is a more valuable 5 peso coin that celebrates the 70th anniversary of the Leyte Gulf landing. So guys, this is the 5 peso coin 70 Gulf landing. This is more valuable compared to the other one. So anyway, let's continue. There was a commemorative 5 peso coin issued in the 1999 celebrating the 70th anniversary of the Leyte Gulf landing, a significant event in the Philippines history during World War II. The value and collectibility. Some collectors seek a specific variant such as error coins or the commemorative Leyte Gulf landing coins, which may have higher value. The 5 peso coin year 1999 weight 8.99 grams and the 5 peso coin is made of nickel brass. The 1999 Philippine 5 peso coin is a coin that might just surprise you with its value and history if you have one of these in your collection or pocket. Stick around to find out if it's worth than its face value. The coin is made of nickel brass, giving a distinct golden color. It has a diameter of 27 mm and a weight of 7.7 grams. On the obverse side, you'll see a portrait of the Emilio Aguinaldo, the first president of the Philippines. His name is inscribed below. And you will also find the words Republika ng Pilipinas. Republika ng Pilipinas. And the year 1993 at the back. Year 1993. Here. Year 1993 at the back, and at the lower portion you will see there year 1993, flipping it over the reverse at the back side. You will see the logo of Central Bank of the Philippines with the coin denomination. The 5 peso coin. Now let's talk about what more this coin value, and the 1995 peso coin is common in circulation. Some errors coins are rare. So guys, this is the 5 peso coin year 1999, and if there is an error, that the coin must be valuable, and another one coin is the 70 Gulf landing. This one, 70 Gulf landing commemorative coin. Anyway guys, before I please subscribe to my channel Jose TV3 and like my video. Anyway, thank you very much.